In this video I will show you how to increase stitches on the raglan, quick and easy. Okay, let's say this is our raglan and usually it looks like this. Raglans means that you are knitting from top to bottom and you have your stitch markers here where you need to increase your stitches. So when you come to your stitch marker, you do your regular stitches, and then when you come to your stitch marker, I need the regular knitting stitch before the marker. Then I will need to pull the yarn between the two stitches. I will pull it like this, and I will put it on my left needle like this. Then I will insert it from here in this manner, and I will take the yarn from my finger and I will pull the yarn through the loop. Here is my first increase. I will move my marker to my right needle, then the two raglan stitches I just do the regular knitting stitch, then I will put my second marker on my right needle, and I need to increase one more. So here again between the two stitches I will take my yarn and pull it like this. Then I will insert my right needle on the back of my loop and I will take my yarn like this. I will pull it through the loop. This is my second increase, and then I continue to knit as usual the regular knitting stitches, and this is how you increase your stitches for the raglan.